And we are back again with another portable projector. This time is from Xgimi. This is the Mogo 4. So we're going to get it unboxed and test it and check out some of the cool features it comes with and if it's worth your money. So sit back, relax, and let's do this. Alright, so first of all, I have the 1080p LED version, which price starts at $500. And this includes a mini remote, a regular remote control, and a solar filter, which I'll show you how it works in just a little bit. And there's also a USB Type-C fast charger power adapter included. The Mogo 4 has a built-in stand that allows you to tilt the projector freely. On this side, we have a USB-C port for power and also the power button. On the other side, we have a USB port and an HDMI port. Also, you can dock the projector to protect the lens with the stand, which I think is a really cool idea. At the bottom, we have a mounting bracket, just in case if you want to ceiling mount the projector. And there are two 6-watt speakers powered by Harman Kardon with Dolby Digital Plus support. The remote control is also one of my favorites. It has a built-in backlit design with movement sensor, which works great. And it has a direct buttons to YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, and voice commands. Overall, the projector feels and looks premium. Then you can add accessories like the power base stand, which allows you to place the projector on top and it snaps right away. This stand gives you more mobility as it allows you to rotate the projector 360 degrees and charge it at the same time. Now this power base has a 20,000 milliamp built-in battery, which gives you an extra 5 hours of movie time or 12 hours of music. I think this stand is a must-buy. It sells for $130, but it's worth every penny. Then we have what they call creative filters. They include the solar filter that snaps on the projector magnetically, and it turns the projector into an ambient light with relaxing music. This is such a great idea. I absolutely love this. And to make things even better, you can change the ambient light colors and music simply by passing your hand in front of the lens. Just with this feature alone, I'm sold. Now, there are additional filters that you can purchase, and the kit costs $100, and it comes with 3 filters: the lunar lens, ripple, and dreamscape. And each filter has its own ambient light options and music. I use this as a background music when I'm working, and it's fantastic. I love it. Now, the Mogo 4 is powered by Google OS, so you'll find all your favorite apps here. This is a 1080p projector with 450 ISO lumens and HDR support. So it's not the brightest projector, but the image looks great, even under ambient light. But for the best projector movie experience, I always recommend to use a dark environment. Also, for the best image performance on 1080p projectors, I always suggest to go between 80 inches or up to 120 inches, but the sweet spot is going to be 100 inches. This way, image looks sharp and crisp. I am also using an ALR projector screen, which is designed for ultra short throw projectors, but it works great with standard projectors as well. The Mogo 4 is rated at 90% of DCI-P3 color space, so you get beautiful colors in SDR or HDR formats. You can watch 4K content, but it will be scaled down to 1080p. And the picture looks sharp, clear, with decent contrast and black levels. It also has automatic features like autofocus, auto keystone correction for fast and easy setup, or if you like to use the ceiling as your screen, the projector will adjust the image without any interruption. I think these features are really awesome. The built-in speakers also sound very good. The audio is loud and clear, and it works great when watching movies or for music too. You can use the projector as a Bluetooth speaker, but for some reason, I wasn't able to connect it to my phone. You can use it as an ambient light too and adjust the color settings in the menu. Fortunately, the fan noise is very low, so you are able to enjoy movies without any interruption. Honestly, I don't expect too much from portable projectors because the main reason you're buying one is for its portability feature. It has a built-in battery capable of displaying video for about 2.5 hours in eco mode, or around an hour and a half in standard mode, which I think normally is what people will use. But you can also use a 65-watt power bank for fast charge the projector and enjoy even more hours of usage. In my case, I'm using this Ugreen power bank, which works fantastic, and I will leave links in the description of the video if you want to purchase any of these products, the projector, power bank, or even the screen that I'm using. The only feature missing is 3D support. Since this is a portable projector, I probably won't be needing it. Overall, I think this projector is fantastic. My favorite feature is the creative filters with ambient light and relaxing music. Hopefully they make more filter options like galaxies or I don't know, like different planets, because I think that would be a great idea.